Friends, if you are preparing for Karnataka TET, then first know about the exact question paper pattern. Because this will only help you prepare in a smarter way and you will be able to score higher marks. In the next few minutes, I will show you how all the 150 questions in the question paper are divided section by section. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. If you are watching this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now. And also if you are liking our work, please share this video with your friends and other aspirants and help them as well. Actually, the question paper pattern is same, just the syllabus of science has been increased, right? I know that some aspirants waste time in exam because they are not familiar with the exam pattern actually. So if you know how this exact division is happening between 150 questions, then you can plan your preparation properly, right? So there are total of 150 questions in the question paper. Now these 150 questions, how they are divided means question number 1 to question number 30. You will have first language questions. If English is your first language, then English. If Urdu is your first language, then Urdu, and so on. Then question number 31 to question number 60, you will have your second language questions. Then from question number 61 to question number 90, you will have child development pedagogy questions. Question number 91 to question number 120, you will have mathematics questions. Then question number 121 to question number 150, you will have science questions. Now here, for further clarity on question paper, I want to tell you that so total we have 30 questions from mathematics, right? In that 23 questions from maths problems and rest 7 questions will be from mathematics pedagogy part. Whereas in science, you can further divide, right? For more clarity and more accuracy, I want to tell you that physics questions will be from question number 121 till question number 130. Then next question number 131 to question number 135, you will have questions from chemistry. Question number 136 to question number 142, you will have biology. And rest questions from 143 till question number 150, you will have questions from science pedagogy part. So basically what you have to understand here is that from 30 questions of science, you have 8 questions from pedagogy, 10 questions from physics, 6 questions from chemistry and 6 questions from biology. Of course, they have given new syllabus in science, right? They have included 11th, 12th also now in the previous syllabus for science. So aspirants getting worried because of the new syllabus. Now I think your fear will be less by seeing this question paper pattern. So if you notice that language 1, language 2 and child development pedagogy, they cover first 90 questions. Remaining 60 questions are from mathematics and science. That too I have shown you by dividing accurately. So remember that while preparing, you can start with your strong subject to build your confidence. Then during exam time also, you need to keep strict timing, right? So that's why while practicing previous year questions and mock test, you should keep your timing so that you can train your mind for correct answers under pressure. Okay? So remember that you have to keep practicing, preparing from right now, because if you wait for notification, you will have very less time after notification. And you know that Karnataka TET question paper was a tough question paper in 2024 and it has become very important for us to qualify TET this time, because you never know, they can ask for eligibility criteria even in HSTR this time, because in CRISE they have already told that TET is compulsory, GPSTR TET is compulsory, only HSTR is remaining. So that's why TET becomes very important exam for you all this time. So at any cost you have to qualify this exam, so you have to prepare in a right manner this time. Okay friends, I really hope that this exam pattern helps you in your preparation. If you have more queries and if you want more tips and tricks from our side, please don't hesitate. You can write in the comment section. We will make sure that we help you all. Thank you. All the best. Bye.